In this tutorial, we'll configure key management for simple WooCommerce products. Let's get started. Go to Products, then click Add New Product. Enter your product title, description, and price. Now, in the Product Data panel, check the Keys option. Then click the Key Manager tab that appears. Configure your key source and delivery quantity as needed. One important thing: if you select Preset as the key source, you can control stock management. To enable it, scroll down to the Inventory section. Enable Stock Management. This ensures your product stock matches your available key count. Now click Publish. You also need to enable the Automatic Stock Management option from Key Manager settings. To do this, navigate to Settings from Key Manager. In General Settings, scroll down to Product Settings. Check the Stock Management option and save the changes. That's it! Your simple product is now configured for key management with Stock Sync enabled. Thanks for watching.